Once upon a sunny Long Beach day, there stood a small Spanish casa, built in 1925, humble and proud, just like the ones in nearby Belmont Shore. But time had softened her bones. So, big corazon and a spark of creativity, we lifted her. Yes, 7 feet into the air. A brand new foundation below, strong and FEMA ready, she stood tall and proud once more. But we never forgot her roots. Those original arches, brought back to life inside and out. Her exterior got dressed with handmade tile accents, dark brown window frames, and classic Arto tiles along the parapet walls and window surrounds. Every detail a nod to the past, with a twist of fresh style. Wrought iron details, picked lovingly by the owner, flow throughout the home like the chorus of a Spanish guitar, giving rhythm and soul to every space. Inside, a fireplace once wrapped in a hyperbola surround now glows with gas, but keeps its spirit alive with handmade RTK tiles from Ojai. Plastered cove ceilings curve gracefully above, lit with soft, warm light that gives each room a romantic glow. The kitchen, a stunner. Center island, glowing glass uppers, RTK tile, under cabinet and toe kick lights, and even the original 1925 gumwood cabinets salvaged and reborn. Downstairs, Spanish charm in every corner, from the guest bedroom's coved ceilings to the tiled bath. Even the elevator joins in with craftsman-style trim and beadboard cabinetry. Upstairs, 2 dreamy master suites echo the theme. Mahogany doors, cove ceilings, cozy lights. And yes, we saved the otter mosaic too, framed in mahogany like a cherished piece of family art. In the garage, electric lifts, smart storage, and plenty of space for modern life. This house wasn't just rebuilt, it was reborn. A Long Beach legend ready to dance through another 100 years of California sunshine.